let's examine some of the configuration settings available for the Order Shipments Customer Portal NetSuite app. We're just going to be taking a quick look at the portal look and feel configuration record. So the first part of this is the General Configuration tab. And here's where you can manage your notification and analytics settings for the customer portal. So if we take a look at the notification settings, here you can configure the names and email addresses that customers will see. This can be configured differently for from versus reply to emails. Finally, there's this notify from SMS field, and this is where the customer, if they subscribe to receive like the shipping order status notifications, here's where you can configure which phone will be sending those notifications. Then if we look quickly at the analytics settings, you'll notice there's only one field there. It's the Google Analytics code, and this enables you to give Google Analytics access to the portal so you can understand how customers are using the tool. So the next tab is the Style Customizations tab. Here you can configure settings around brand elements, colors, the portal background, and buttons. This first section here under Style Customization is the brand elements section. Here you will find fields that allow you to upload brand assets. The next section allows you to configure the colors that will appear throughout the shipping portal. You can also configure the background image or simply choose a color for that background. If we jump down to the buttons section, you can see here that you can configure buttons by adjusting the shape to make your buttons, maybe rounded, or your style, for example, if you want to add an outline to your buttons. The final tab on this record then is the Text Customizations tab. This is where you can adjust the text throughout the portal, so you can see metadata. That's the first section here. Then if we look down to the header section, this enables you to configure the 3 header links by providing you with a text field and then a link field for each one. And that's how you set up those 3 links that you see in the header of the portal. The next section is the mobile banner. If we jump down to the content section, this is where you'll configure the same thing but just for the desktop version. You're given an HTML field if you'd like to use that, or you can add an image banner, which is what we had in this demo, and set things up from there. Next, there's this home section that allows you to adapt a couple more things on that order lookup screen. So the home title text, color, the description paragraph text. The portal also does have a home title color and a home description paragraph text field, but those are found further down on this record. And then finally, you have footer section. For each section, you can add up to 3 links. All the information used in this application is stored in NetSuite. This means that several different reports can be created to track metrics or KPIs. We can view all the shipments that have been created and their current status. And then as a retailer, of course, you can see which fulfillment has been marked as shipped, but here I can also get real-time status on where all the different packages are. And that's about it for the NetSuite Customer Shipping Portal configuration settings.